are you all? Fine. Okay, take your seat. Welcome. So, in this class, we will discuss about the panchayat, the rule of India at the ground level. Have you heard the term panchayat?
Yes.
Have you heard the term municipality?
Yes.
Do you know how the village administration works from the ground level? Do you know how the election exists in the village level, block level, the panchayat level, or you can call it gaon? So how the ruler, how the panchayats at the ground level selected, how it is evolved at the ground level. So let's discuss today about the government at the local level. I want to ask some question. Do you know what is panchayat? What do you mean by panchayat? How the administration at the panchayat level works? Who is the father of local self-government? Anyone? Raise your hand. Who is the father of local self-government? Lord Ripon. Okay, the correct answer is Lord Ripon. It's correct. Clap hand for this guy. Okay. Now, let's note down. Dear students, in India there are so many blocks, so many districts are there, and so many governments. The level of governments starts from the national level, then come to the state level. Number one is your national level, that is national government. State level, that is state government, and local level, that is local government. So, can you guess what is the topic of today? Anyone? Can you guess the topic of today? What we can teach right now? What you will learn right now? Any idea about the today's topic? Can anyone say? If you have any idea, raise your hand. What will be the today's topic? Today's topic is your local self-government. Local self-government. Okay? So first we will understand what is local self-government, the meaning of the local self-government, then we will come to the background part, how the local self-government evolved in India. Okay, so let me tell you about what is the meaning of local self-government. So local self-government is the body that provides services to the citizen in India at the grassroots level to address their issue. Okay, and local self-government works at village, city or local level to address the general purpose or the general interest of the common people. Local self-government in India works at three tier. Tier 1, national government. Tier 2, state government. And tier 3 is your local government. Okay? It is of three tier. Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Tier 1 is your national government, then tier 2 is your state government, and tier 3 is your local government. So today we will discuss more about the local government, local self-government, right? Come to the next slide. Local self-government. Let's discuss about the background, how it evolved in India, about the background of the local self-government. So in background we can discuss about the how it is evolved. This is the evolution of local self-government. Local self-government. Local self-government, it was first started in 1882 by Lord Ripon. At the first time in India, in 1882, local self-government was introduced by Lord Ripon. Why? Why it was introduced? It was introduced for the smooth function of the local self-government, for the local administration and the proper function and easy citizen-friendly administration, and the credit goes to Lord Ripon. That's why Lord Ripon is known as the father of local self-government. Okay, and he is the good viceroy of India. At the time of Britisher, there was a viceroy. Okay, there was a viceroy. Do you know viceroy of India? So here the Lord Ripon was the good viceroy of India. Okay, and he is also known as the father of local self-government. Then come to the constitutional amendments. Under 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. Dear students, in India there is a constitution. So constitution provides amendments. 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992 allows all the 28 states to introduce what? To introduce local self-government at the state level. Local self-government work at the state level. And how many states in India? There are 28 states. So the Constitution Amendment tells by the 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act that in every state there will be a self-government. There will be a self-government. And it was made mandatory for all the 28 states to set up the state government or at their ground level, at the village level or the block level. Okay? Have you understood? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the constitutional provision, constitutional amendment of the local self-government. Now come to the structure of local self-government. Let me tell you the structure. First, local self-government is divided into two parts. Number one is what? Number one is rural local self-government, and number two is urban. Okay. Number one is rural local self-government and number two is urban local self-government. Okay. In rural local self-government, it works at village level. And in urban local self-government, it works at city level. City or you can say town. Okay. City or town level. Understood? Again, the rural local self-government is divided into three tiers. Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Okay? Rural local self-government is divided into three tiers. Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Like same, urban local self-government is also divided into three tiers. Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Understood? So let's discuss about the rural local self-government and their three tiers. Then after that, after rural local self-government, we will come to the urban local self-government. And urban local self-government works at village level, at city level or town level. And how many tiers are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 tiers that works at city level and 3 tiers it works at village level. Okay? Now come to the rural local self-government. This is the structure. Structure means what? Structure means the pattern. Structure means pattern. Okay? Now come to the first topic, that is your rural local self-government. Rural local self-government. So this is divided into three tiers. Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Tier 1, 2 and 3. Tier 1 is Gram Sabha and Tier 2 is Panchayat Samiti and tier 3 is anyone? Jila Parishad. Jila Parishad. Okay. So rural local self government in constitution there is an article 243A to 243O. Okay, keep in mind in constitution of India there is an article 243A to article 243O discuss about the rural local self government. From which article to which article? 243A to 243O. So here all about the rural local self government. How the government will work at the rural level, at the village level. In Constitution of India, clearly it is mentioned that article 243A to article 243O. Okay. So how many tier are there? 3. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. There is a Gram Sabha in tier 1, and in tier 2 there is a Panchayat Samiti, and in tier 3 there is a Jila Parishad. It works at the village level, and if you will combine 2-3 village, then it will come to the Panchayat Samiti, and too many Panchayat Samiti will come to what? Jila Parishad. Okay. First Gram Sabha, so many village are there. Okay. It works at the village level. If 2 or more than 2 village, then it will call what? Then it will be called as a Panchayat Samiti. And so many Panchayat Samiti will come together, then what it will become? It will become the larger side, and you will call it Panchayat, you will call it Jila Parishad. It works at district level. It works at district level. Understood? Okay. Then, so I discussed you about the structure. First one is your rural, and rural local self government has 3 tier. Same rural and same wise in urban local self government there is a 3. Okay. Urban local self government. Urban local self government. Again there is a 3 tier. Number 1, 2 and 3. Can you tell me what will be the tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3? Anyone? Any idea? Urban local self government. First is the municipal corporation, then municipality, then Nagar Nigam. This works at city level or town level. Okay. The municipal corporation, municipality and Nagar Nigam. Like Chennai, like Bangalore, or you can say Delhi. This is a city. Okay. So in Chennai, in Bangalore, in Delhi, there is no Gram Sabha, there is no Jila Parishad, there is no Panchayat Samiti. Then what? There is a urban local self government, and in Chennai or in Bangalore or in Delhi, this all are what? This all are village? No, this all are city. And here self government, the structure of the self government like this: tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Tier 1 में you will call the municipal corporation. Tier 2 में क्या बोलोगे? The municipality. And tier 3 में क्या बोलोगे? The Nagar Nigam. That's all about today classes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.